Hello everybody. Today this is going to be a little bit of a freaky one. Today I've got you and I'm gonna mind boggle you with my sneezing. So I hope you enjoy this. Okay. Shh. Shh. Is that good? I'll try and do some more. Wait, my hair's in my eyes. Let me just get that out of the way. Yeah. I think that's all I got for you. We'll be back with even more spicier bangers than this. Until then, we'll see you soon. Love you everyone.